Lesson 10 offers us two new symbols. The first is called the fermata, an Italian word meaning to hold. If you focus on line 2, which is projected on the screen now, at the end of the fourth full measure, you see the fermata sign, which kind of looks like an upside down bird's nest with an egg in it, over the second half note. Fermata means that you hold that longer than its real value of 2 beats in this case. Usually, maybe twice its value. If you're playing alone, it's up to you how long you want to hold that note. If there's a conductor up there, they'll tell you how long to hold it by freezing the beat and then finally continuing. Let's play that line 2 now, and I'll show you how I would interpret that fermata, but it's up to you to decide on your own. And the second new concept is called common time. If we focus on line 4, projected on the screen now, we see a symbol instead of the numbers 4, 4. It's a C for common time. Composers often will use that. Since 4/4 is a really common time, they'll quite often use that symbol instead. It does mean that there are 4 beats in the measure, however. Now there's another duet at the bottom. I'd like to play the top part, and you're free to play the bottom along with me as we go. I'm going to set the metronome at 84. 1, 2, ready, play. Notice I held that last note longer than it should be because, once again, there's a fermata sign. I've got the bottom part. You can feel free to play the top along with me. 1, 2, ready, play.